Bullet! I can't believe you're retiring. You're the best UPS dog ever. We're gonna miss you.
I don't know.
He's a jolly good fellow.
Bye, Bullet. Have a good retirement.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day. I'm gonna miss that UPS dog. He is the best delivery driver ever.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Where is that new UPS man? I won my shoes and he's so late.
Where are you supposed to go? Aha, that way. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, where have you been?
That's my first day, you know. What's box it in? Yes, it's this one. Here you go, ma'am.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
This is a really big box for the pair of flip-flops I ordered. This isn't for me. Hey, come back! Hey, come back!
My book is supposed to come right now, but it's not here. I'm gonna track it. It says it's here already, but it's not even here. Now, where this goes? Oh, up here. Where? Wait, I gotta just turn and go. I'm gonna go look for it.
Where's that UPS man? He's supposed to be here already.
I wonder where my book is. My book! It's all ruined! Oh no! I don't like that new UPS driver. I miss Bullet.
The UPS man is late again. Let me track him and see where he's at. I really need that candy for Ryder's birthday party. It says he should be here right now.
What's this? Candy. I hope them are not bad. Who's your money? I should back to have your money. Oh, I might have to deliver this.
Finally, there he is. Just in time for the party. Thank you. This is so... It's open? He ate all my candy? That's it! So Braxton, have all of your boxes been messed up?
Yep.
Mine too. I think we need a call and try and get Bullet to come back, okay?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Bullet, is that you? Look, Brax, where is he?
It's good to see you again.
Is he on vacation?
Bullet, please come back.
Bullet, please. We have never had a UPS man as good as you. Please come back.
Bye-bye.
My shoes! Your books! Everything's great! Thank you, Bullet!
Thank you,
You are
Bullet.
watching Braxton and Ryder show. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Hey everybody, I'm Braxton, the policeman. This is Sawyer, our police chief. We're gonna go catch some bad guys, right? Let's go! Sawyer, we need to write some tickets, right? Let's look for some speeders. I'm gonna steal some money. Sawyer, I can't find any bad guys. How about you take a look? He found a motorcycle. What? Let's really dumb. Sir, do you know what you were doing wrong? I'm just having fun. Sir, I know you were having fun, but you were speeding too. You have to go to jail. What? I don't want to go to jail. I'm just playing. Sawyer, book him. I hope I can be a policeman by myself. My assistant had to go take a nap. You know what? I'm kind of tired too. I'm gonna take a nap.
680 to 90, 10-4.
What was that?
9K. Came a female down front of the...
Come in again. What did you say?
Breaker 19, we got a code 32 at Mommy's bedroom.
Oh no! I'll go get her. She did it! Mommy!
Yes?
Why didn't you make your bed?
Well, I thought I'd get back in it later, so I didn't think I needed to.
You should make your bed every day.
Yes, sir.
Look, this is not right. No more chances. You're going to jail.
Well, he's having a bad day.
Now get in jail. Now I'm gonna lock this and you stay for an hour.
Being in jail made me super hungry. I'm gonna get a snack. I'll pick it up later. So hungry.
This is my police dog. He helps me fight crime. What, you smell anything?
Yes!
What's on the trail? What's it? What is it gonna lead to? What is this mess? Who did this? Bullet, milk Cheerios? Someone must be eating cereal. It was you!
What?
You made that mess, didn't you?
I guess so.
That's it. You're going to jail again.
Thank you.
Now, ma'am, you know the drill. Go back to jail. I really like this cool T-Rex that I built. And I like brakes.
680 to 90, 10-4.
What was that?
Okay.
Oh, man. Another bad guy. Who made all this? Did you make this mess? No. Yes, you did. This is too big of a mess to clean up. That's it. You're going to jail. Sawyer, you're supposed to be taking a nap. I'm not taking a nap. Go in jail. Oh no! I'm gonna sit right here till it's over. Ryder, let's sneak out.
Yes, look. The door's broke. And look, he's asleep.